Hi, I'm Tom Deacon, presenting this latest episode of How to See It Now. Today, we're going to be looking at what makes a good creative video. We've got some great clips to share with you, but before we do, it's worth explaining what we mean by creative videos. It's not something you'll be doing every day, but sometimes you'll find a regular video just won't do. The circumstances behind this may vary, anything from needing to demonstrate something specific, working with a customer that you know is up for a good laugh, or a customer you want to go that extra mile for. It could be a great way of adding that extra special flair to your video, and depending where your customer is in the sales journey, it can be key to building that extra rapport needed, or helping building longer term loyalty. It's also a great way to exercise your inner Spielberg or Tarantino. The first clip was the result of the events in 2020, which meant the dealership had to operate in a different fashion. Whether the customer was familiar with the location or new to it, there were guidelines in place on how to visit. So David and Mo worked together to make this really helpful video to show a walkthrough for a visit.
Together today, we're going to be demonstrating to you the new Mercedes-Benz Click and Collect service, which will be in line with government guidelines of social distancing. When coming into the dealership, what we will ask is please park in one of the 3 bays just in front of the dealership here. This is our Click and Collect area. Please make your way into the dealership. I say into the dealership, just inside the doors where the table is now, and put all your documentation and keys on the desk there, and feel free to use our hand sanitizer and wipes which we've left there for you. In line with this, we've also sanitized the keys after touching them ourselves and put them onto the desk for you to be able to collect. Your vehicle is just to the right hand side of the doors.
The creative use of See It Now to demonstrate what the customer needed to do to complete their click and collect really shines through. By utilizing video in this way, they took what could have been a daunting prospect for the customer and made it as self-explanatory as possible. The customer experience was at the heart of this video. Our next clip is one for the pet-friendly customers.
We are about to demonstrate the pet access ramp designed to assist pets in and out of the boot space. This holds up to 85 kilos of weight, while also lightweight and robust, giving a practical solution for your pet. Now onto the pet carrier, which has a lightweight metal frame and includes a quilted fabric cushion for comfort of your pet, which then can be folded away after use, as being demonstrated just now for you. If your pet prefers a little bit more boot space, you can go with the quilted boot liner, which has a rubber base and a detachable bumper protector, which can be easily wiped clean when necessary.
A really good clip which demonstrates the pet accessories available, putting them to use, helping the customer see exactly how it all works when a real pet is involved. Not only does this help visualize through the use of props, but also adds some extra charm. The next 2 clips are great examples that had a lot of thought put into them to help customers given their specific circumstances. The first being a native French speaker, and the second being hard of hearing. We loved how the video takers were able to come up with creative solutions to communicate with their customers.
Bonjour Thomas, je m'appelle Daniel et je suis un produit le génie d'Arnold Clark à Wolverhampton. La maison de la meilleure offre garantie.
Great ingenuity used in these clips. The videos are linked below so you can watch them in full. Thanks for watching this episode. We've put links below in the description to all of the videos seen in the episode so you can watch them in full. While you're there, if you like this video, please click like, and if you're not already, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you can be notified when new videos are published. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.